Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by examining the bellows and the key mechanism closely to find the real faults. Start repairing the smallest bellows holes first. A tight patch preserves air pressure and tone. While you work, test buttons to identify sticky action caused by dirt or worn felt. Once done, remove a few key tops to access springs and felt pads. This lets you see how the valve assembly behaves and prevents further damage when you proceed to deeper repairs. You now tackle the valve and bellows repairs because they control airflow and response. Carefully remove old valve leather or gaskets, clean the plate, and glue fresh material so the reed closes fully. This restores attack and dynamic range. For bellows, you sand the tier edges, apply glue, position a 1/16 patch, and clamp until set. This maintains airtightness. Then replace felts and springs, and lubricate pivots lightly with graphite so keys return crisply without gumming the action. You finish by reassembling the instrument, aligning keys and testing every note while moving the bellows gently to confirm even airflow and response. Make small adjustments to hinge free play or add thin shims so buttons align and avoid rubbing. This prevents future sticking. Once satisfied, run a full range test and listen for buzzes or dead notes. If issues persist, use smoke or a thin paper test to locate air leaks. Then tighten screws, re-glue patches, or replace the problematic valve material.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.